I'd like to show you how you can use green screening just by using iMovie. It's really, really simple. What you'd do is you'd open up the iMovie icon right here and you'd create a new project. So I'm just going to create a new movie. When I do that, I'm going to import media. So what you would want to do is you'd want to import right here, you'd want to import video. So what I can do is I can actually import a video from my FaceTime camera. I'm just going to record something. So testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going to then close that out. There's my clip. So it's automatically going to be put in there. Now something else I can do as well is I can actually click right here. I can go and find a picture. So I'm going to need a picture, which I'm going to have this picture of the ocean. I'm going to import that as well. So I have these two clips. So basically what green screening does is it takes this picture and it puts it right here where the green background is. Okay, so how that's going to work is I'm going to actually take this picture, I'm going to drag it in, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it over top. And when I press play, check it out. Testing 1, 2, 3. Not a whole lot going on. So what I can do is I can actually click on my video clip here. And when I do that, I'm going to go to this layer. When I go to the layer, I'm going to choose green, blue screen. There you go. So now what I have, and I'm just going to shorten this down a little bit, I have a video clip. Check this out. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you see how that's moving up and down? That is the Ken Burns effect. So if I don't want that, I can simply just click on this particular clip. And when I do that, I can get rid of the Ken Burns effect, and I can just go right here to fit. Okay, so now when I do this, check this out. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very cool. So you'll see that the thing behind me, all that was just a green tablecloth from the dollar store. So you can simply create your own green screen by using a dollar store table cover, and that's it. So when you're ready to publish this, you would just go through and you would publish it like you would any other iMovie. Just click right here, and I would recommend saving as a file. So I'll just do that. I'm going to save it, and you can choose which resolution you want. I'm just going to keep it as 1080. I'm going to give it a name right here, and I'll just change this movie to my green screen movie. And then you can hit next, and it'll automatically publish it. You can publish it to your desktop. It'll automatically publish, and you're good to go. Then you can upload that to any publishing option of your choice. Google Drive and YouTube are great places to share. And so if you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out.